And before we start, I would like to thank Masamune Studio for sponsoring this video, and more about them later. Hi everyone, Gunpla here. Thank you for joining me for another unboxing. And today we're gonna unbox the Master Grade Mobile Ginn from the Gundam Seed series. So looking at the cover art, you can see this is a menacing looking pose. So this is the Mobile Ginn from the Gundam Seed series. And you have a traditional Master Grade box, and I really like the cover art here because it shows some action pose in it. So hopefully it could duplicate the pose from the gimmicks. So this has the blue Bandai color, and looking at the side you can see a front view and a rear view of the model kit. And then looking here, it shows the uh, gimmicks on the backpack and the thrusters. And then here it shows some of the gimmicks that you can do with the inner frame, or it explains that because of the inner frames you can do some of the gimmicks and articulations in there. And then here you can see a short description regarding the Mobile Ginn. So if you want to read it, you can just pause it. And then on the shorter side, it's actually the cover art. So it's similar to the cover art, and it's just the traditional Master Grade side. And then on this other side, you can see some of the parts that are included. So you can see the hand parts here, as well as the short range guided 3-barrel missiles. So a missile launcher here, and then it also shows the weapons that are included in the kit. So you can see a removable magazine, the missile launcher there, the heavy blade, as well as the heavy assault machine gun. So you can see those are included in the kit. And then also included in this kit is a figurine. So it's a 1/100 figurine of a normal Zap soldier. And then lastly, the markings or the decals are also included. And then on this part, it's just the traditional warning and all the legal stuff. And then on this shorter side, it's identical to the other shorter side. So we're gonna see what's inside the box. So you have the first bag here with the decals, and then a second bag, the third bag with the missile pods there, a fourth, and then the fifth bag, sixth bag, and then lastly we have 7 bags inside the box. So we're gonna check the manual. So looking at the manual, you can see the same pose here from the cover art. And then opening it, it's a traditional Master Grade manual. And you can see this is the runner list. You have some parts there that are not going to be used, and then some parts here. But overall, most of the things in the runners, or most of the parts in the runners, are going to be used. Then you have the building instruction. And then on the center fold, you can see some of the details or information regarding the Mobile Ginn. So you can see here some of the information regarding Miguel. So that's one of the Zap pilot. And then as you can see, some of the information in the box are also in here: the weapons, the weaponry, some of the articulation and gimmicks that are shown here. There are some information or details regarding the Mobile Ginn here. Then we have the color correction guide. So if you want the color guides, you can just pause it and then get the information. And then we also have a color guide for the pilot. So here are the information as well. And then here is a quick tip showing that it's always good to put some panel lining. And then it says that you can use Gundam markers in order to emphasize those lines. The next, we have the building instruction. And then at the back, it's just a front view of the Mobile Ginn. So that is the building instruction or manual for the Mobile Ginn. So let's check on the runners. So we have the A runner. So the A runner is in 4 colors. So we have the for this kit we have 2 tones of gray. So this is the darker gray, and you have the clear parts. This is probably the visor, and then you have red parts. These are for the vents on the thrusters, and then you have the white part, which is the fin and some of the trims on the head. You also have the pilot here, so you need to paint that one. So that's your A runner. Next is the B runner. So B runner comes in the black color. So this mostly are the inner frames. So you can see this is the inner parts for the head, and then probably these are for the torso. And next is the C runner, which is in the color black as well. These are mostly the manipulators and some of the inner frames. So that's your C runner. And then next is the D runner, which is in black color as well. So this is a duplicate, and these are mostly inner frames. And then another black runner, which is the letter E, and these are the inner frames for the wing as well as some parts for the fit. And this is the rocket launcher casing. So that's your E runner. Next is the F runner. So this is the outer armor, probably for the skirt and the weapons. And that's your F runner. Next is the G runner. So we have 2 G runners. So you have G1 and G2, which is mostly a duplicate of each other. And these are some outer armor and with the weapons there and the magazines here. So that's your G runner. Next is the H runner. So the H runner is also 2 runners, H1 and H2. This comes in the lighter gray color, and these parts are the part for the wings, and these are some our outer armors, probably for the limbs. So that's your H runner. Next is the I runner. So I runner is in the color orange. So mostly these are the trims for the wings, as well as the missile on the rocket pod. And lastly, for the runner, we have the J runner. So the J runner is in a silver color. So these are the tip for the blades. So that's your J runner. Next, we have the foil sticker. So you have the traditional foil sticker for the mono eye. So you only have 1 foil sticker here. So that's the A foil sticker, which is the sticker 1. And lastly, you have the sticker or decals for the markings. So this is included in the kit. And that's your sticker 2. And that's the unboxing of the Master Grade Ginn, or also known as the Master Grade Mobile Ginn. I'm excited to build this because it looks promising with all the articulation with the wings and the inner frame. And I'm gonna let you know how it stands as a recent Master Grade. I'm gonna create a review video for you, so please stay tuned for that. And I would like to thank Masamune Studio for sponsoring this video. So if you're wondering where to get this kit, you can just go and visit their website. Go to msmnstudio.com. You can select from their wide selection of model kits. They have P-Bandays there, as well as great selection of building materials, paint, and many more. So check out their website. If you like this content, please don't forget to subscribe so you get notified every time I release a video. And once again, thank you for watching and keep building.